2005 Nissan Sentra with 1.8 liter, 4 cylinders. This is going to be a fuel pump replacement. This beneath the back seat right there, and this back seat is held by two clips, one here, one there, and it has some and it locks over here behind here. You only lift it up, it's locked. I'm not taking it out. Right there, see here, that locks over here and these clips, and this is where it locks it, right there. It doesn't have a bolt or anything here. It just goes over this here. Okay, right now I'm gonna be removing the plate over here on top, this one here, and I'm gonna see if I can disconnect it here, the tab here. I'm gonna take it out from this clip so it can give me some more space. Like this. I'm gonna press it over here on these tabs with my fingers. Like this. And I'm gonna put it aside. 8mm small bolt. I'm gonna mark here just in case, 2 marks, letting me know that this like a bracket, like this thing here goes on this direction, just in case. Like this. Just take a look how the direction that the fuel pump is. This is pointing here, and the connector is pointing here. Cannot get lost anyway because of this goes only one direction. I don't want to spill gas here. Before I put it in, just to make sure that everything looks the same here and here, so you don't get it dirty inside with fuel, and then find out that it's a different or something. Okay, it didn't bring new gasket. It was the owner of the car ordered online, so the gasket here is cleaned and it seems good, so I'm gonna use the same one. It's gonna go like this. I'm gonna see if I can. Now this, I'm gonna put this in the same direction. The marks, I know for the camera it's not gonna be it's not gonna be probably that visible, but I made 2 marks here. I'm gonna grab one of these, I'm gonna grab it with my bare fingers. Gotta line very good, otherwise they're not gonna go inside. Especially because these bolts are very tiny. They are so short, they cannot even reach there. You have to really press here. All right, that was the last one right there. I'm gonna give it a little tie. Not that tight. They're really small. Now I'm gonna be transferring this clip for the lock. This is from the old pump, from the old fuel pump. Right there. Connector right there. And that's it. Wire harness here. That's how I found it here. Okay, right now I'm gonna see if I can turn on the vehicle. First, I'm gonna try to prime the fuel pump a few times, just like this. And do not turn on the car. You can do it a few times, 4 or 5 times, just prime it. Okay, I'm gonna try to turn it on right now. All right, beautiful. That's it. All right, thanks for watching.